Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change name on Canva. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Canva, firstly go ahead and launch open your Canva application. The home page of Canva application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page and then tap on your profile name. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. You will end up on the settings page of your Canva's account. Click on your account option. Edit your name on Canva and tap on Save. This is how you can change your name on Canva quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.